In a bid to prevent and brace for a possible third wave of the COVID-19 pandemic in the country, the Ministry of Health has collaborated with the private sector and non-state actors to provide guidance for their involvement in the COVID-19 vaccination program. Ministry of Health Permanent Secretary for Technical Services, Kennedy Malama, has commended the private sector for coming on board towards the fight against COVID-19, as it has gravely affected the socio-economic development of the country. He was speaking when the Ministry of Health signed a memorandum of understanding with the Zambia Private Sector Alliance, which aims at providing a framework for the Ministry of Health and the Zambia Private Sector Alliance in the implementation of the health sector programs and strategies.
The socio-economic development of this country has been retrogressed as a result of COVID-19. And the indications today are telling us that the situation can get worse. So fighting COVID-19 is not only government's responsibility, but it's all of us at individual level, family level, community level, and indeed as a nation. Therefore, today's event is so important in our fight against COVID-19.
Dr. Malama says in view of the anticipated third wave, it is imperative to safeguard the socio-economic development of the country. He further challenges the private sector and non-state actors to combine efforts and put resources together that can be channeled towards the procurement of more COVID-19 vaccines.
So COVID-19 vaccination gives us an opportunity to protect this country from the catastrophic effects of COVID-19. Therefore, the partnership between Ministry of Health and the private sector and non-state actors is unprecedented. You are aware that as much as government would like to provide for all its people, complementarity is key in any facet of development.
And Private Sector Alliance President Chabuka Kawesha says the COVID-19 vaccination program demands for a multi-sectoral collaboration, as government alone cannot meet the cost involved. He says the alliance remains committed to joining forces and eliminating the COVID-19 pandemic in Zambia.
Together, the parties are looking at establishing and improving our collaboration in matters that will enhance service delivery and reduce the cases of COVID, a pandemic that has not only ravaged our businesses, but has significantly disrupted our normal lives. It is our hope and desire that it will not end at just signing the MOU, but an initiative that will be able to scale up as we monitor and evaluate the initiatives and the contributions that are coming from all.
Virginia Chilongo, Movie TV News, Lusaka.